Okay, good afternoon. And now we're going to be learning about graphing ax squared plus bx plus c. And you may remember that the parabolas that we graphed last time were all right on the y-axis. So the axis of symmetry was always x equals 0. Okay, and today these parabolas will be ones that have their axis of symmetry not on the y-axis. And we're going to learn about how to find out where that line of symmetry is, and we're going to use that information to help us find the vertex, the anchor point of the parabola. So in general form, ax squared plus bx plus c, that's our general form of a parabola. And when a is a positive number, which might just be positive 1, then the parabola opens upward. It's a upright parabola. If a is less than 0, then that parabola is going to open downward, and it'll be a reflection over the x-axis, is the fancy way to say that. Now, the y-intercept is always c, this number. So this number right here at the end of the equation will always help you find the y-intercept. Now, if you know what the y-intercept is, you can find another point that's on the parabola that is this same distance away from the axis of symmetry. It's going to be right over here. It'll have the same height as whatever c is. Okay, so that point right there would be, well, I don't know how far this is, but it'll have the same distance as this. This distance will be the same as this distance, and it will have the same height as c. It'll be some x c. All right, now the axis of symmetry, we have a little formula for that, and we're going to take the opposite of b and divide it by 2 of whatever a is. Okay, so the axis of symmetry is right here. Okay, so if, now you may notice that the vertex is always on the axis of symmetry. So the x number for the axis of symmetry we can find by doing the opposite of b over 2a. And the y number for the vertex, how high or low that is, that vertex is what we get by plugging whatever this number is into the function. All right, so let's try it on this example 1 here. So if this is our equation, it looks like a is 3 and b is negative 2. So using our formula, the opposite of b over 2a is going to be 2 over 2 times 3. And that looks like it's going to be 2 over 6. It looks like 6 on the bottom. So 2 over 6 is going to be 1/3. Okay, so now we know that the x-coordinate of the vertex is 1/3, and we're going to use 1/3 to help us find the y-coordinate of the vertex. And hang on a minute, I left my calculator in the other room, which I wanted to show you how to do this. So 1 second.